To download and play a game on your PC or laptop, you'll need to start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by going to Google and searching for Steam. Then click on the link that says "Welcome to Steam" to access the official website. On the website, click the "Install Steam" button. Select your platform, and click "Install Steam" again. This will download the Steam setup to your computer. Open the Steam setup, click Next, select your language, and choose a destination folder for the installation. You can leave the default settings or change them if you prefer. Once you've selected your options, click Install to begin the installation process. After Steam is installed, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Steam store by clicking the Store button at the top left of the screen. In the store, use the search box to find the game you want to download. Type in the game's name, and click on it to access its page. Scroll down to the Buy section and decide which version of the game you want to purchase. You can choose from the standard version or other editions. Once you've selected your preferred version, click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll need to select a payment method from the drop-down menu and click Continue. After completing the payment process, the game will be added to your Steam library. To find it, click on the Library button at the top left of the screen. Then click on the game's icon and press the Install button. You'll be prompted to choose a location for the game's installation and decide whether to create desktop or start menu shortcuts. Once you've made your selections, click Install to begin the download and installation process. When the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will be replaced with a Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.